Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how you can upload a monthly budget from an Excel file into our Odoo system. And using that uploaded monthly budget, we can extract a comparison report against the actual entries that has been available in the system. Along with this comparison of budget with the actual entry, we have this option to compare the budget with the prior year. So let's dive into the video. For that, we will go inside the invoicing module. Okay. And under the configuration, we have this option to import budget. So just click on that. And here you can see I have this option to upload the budget file. And also in the right side, you can see an import template for budget is available. So let's click on that. So when you click on that, an Excel template will be downloaded. Here we can see this is the format where we will use to upload the monthly budgets. Okay, first column specifies the account name, second column account code, and the next columns define the month for each budget. Okay, so this will be the format. Here we have added the note which says the date format should be year and month. Okay, so if you need to upload a budget for February 2025, you need to add 2024 hyphen 0. I will show you. This is how you can upload a February 2024 budget. Okay, so here I have added some random data for our uploading purpose. So I will just save it and I will upload the file that I have just updated. And I will just click on upload. I will click on OK. Okay. See, now we have uploaded the monthly budget for 2024. So in order to view that, we will go inside the accounting and under the accounting, there is a budget menu. We will click on that. So here you can see that a monthly budget of 2024 have been uploaded based on the data we have added. Okay, so just click on one of the record. You can see the accounts, the start date, the end date, the planned amount, that is the amount that we have added inside the Excel, and the practical amount. Actually, the practical amount means the actual amount against, or the actual entry against the respective account. Okay, so if there is an entry against this account under this period, we can see the entries button here. So just click on that. If there is an entry for that month against that account, it will be shown here. Okay, so let's import a couple more records for 2025. So for that, we will go inside the configuration again and we will click on the import budget. We already have a template, right? So we will just update the previous template with the 2025 data. Okay. So here I have updated the 2025 data, some random data for uploading. So let me upload this file in our database. I will click on this upload your file and I will choose this one. This is updated 2025 data and I will click on OK. See here, you can see that the budget for 2025, monthly budget for 2025 have been uploaded. Let's dive into one of the record of 2025. Here you can see there is an account and the period is there. And for some records, there is a practical amount. Okay, in the previous 2024, there was no practical account. So here, this means that there are some entries that have been happened to be come under this January for the bank. Okay, so let's check them. For that, we will go to the entries. Okay, so here, this is the bank entries that have happened in January 2025. And the total balance is debit minus credit. This is the balance amount. That's what is shown here, the practical amount. And for bank suspense also, there is some entries, that is debit minus credit. This is the amount and it will be shown here. Now we will go to the second part of our module. So we will click on this reporting button, and under that there is a budget analysis report. We will click on that, and the wizard will be open, and it will ask for the prime date and the due date. So here I will just add January 1 to the end date as June 30. Okay. Here I have this option to select prior year data. Okay. So I will just click on prior year data so that I can compare the current year with the previous year. Okay. So I will choose the prior year data and I will click on print Excel. Here it starts with budget 2025. That is our selected date. And here you can see the planned and the practical amount of each month that we have uploaded or that we have selected in the pop-up. Okay, so you can see the January, February, all those date we have chosen, and the planned and the practical amount will be shown here. And if you scroll to the right, you can see a budget 2024 will also be available here because we have chosen the prior year data. It also shows the planned and the practical amount so that we can compare the budget of 2024 with the 2025. Even you can actually compare the actual amount also. So this is how we upload a monthly budget from an Excel and how we can compare with the real data. Thank you. Have a nice day.